Welcome to Jaya's Gujarati Kitchen. This time with another tasty, easy recipe for you to make. Kobis na muthia or steamed cabbage dumplings. So, let's go through the ingredients together. You will need 250 grams of cabbage. We are using white cabbage. 50 grams of peeled carrot. 50 grams of coarse semolina, 50 grams of rice flour, 75 grams of chapati flour, 75 grams of chickpea flour or gram flour, 1/2 of a teaspoon sugar, 1/2 of a teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon dana jeeru, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon ajmo or carom seeds, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic chili paste, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of coriander, and some additional oil for forming the muthia. And as always, preparation is the key. Get all your ingredients together and let's start. And just like that, our muthias are ready to be served and enjoyed, with a drizzle of olive oil perhaps. Or if you prefer, get these ingredients together and we are going to give our muthias an alternative taste. 50 grams of onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/8 of a teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and some coriander for garnish. Take 200 grams of the steamed muthias, cooled, and slice them up. And if you are enjoying this recipe, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tasty recipes.